Mr. Mama, what do you think of Beautiful Nose?
Oh, it's really, really good.
Who do you like so far?
Everybody's great.
I like Neil Diamond tonight.
You do? You like the new Neil?
Then, I like the new one.
Yeah, they're both great.
Oh,
Voices are very good.
One said he's in the audience
I think
tonight.
the writer's here. I saw him back there with a suit.
One said he's in the audience tonight.
Will Swenson and
Yeah.
what's her name? That girl? The one who plays is going to be in Smash the Musical.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
So we'll see you guys after the show. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. What guys Beautiful Nose ended? Mama, what do you think of Beautiful
I
Nose?
thought it was amazing.
Who did you like today?
I liked everybody. I thought they were so good.
Who?
I thought they were amazing.
Nice.
Neil Diamond.
Mm-hmm.
Who else? Neil Diamond's first wife, second wife. They were all great.
Right, okay.
What about you? What'd you think?
I liked it. It was
Yeah.
my second time seeing it. I liked it.
Neil Diamond's name is Nick
Feriani.
Fabiani.
Yeah.
He was awesome.
He was awesome. He was in American Idol.
Did you tell him who we saw in the audience?
I think we said that, yeah.
We did. Oh, we did say
Yeah,
that during
yeah.
intermission.
Oh my gosh, the
Watching
show
them.
is so good.
Okay.
It's going on tour. I'm seeing the tour later this year, so
Yeah.
you'll see the vlog for that.
We'll see. We got to see who's touring.
Oh yeah, we'll
Nick
see.
is definitely touring.
He's touring. All right, see you guys next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.